In the silence of the night, on the vast expanse of the unknown, there is a question that has echoed through the ages, igniting our imagination and curiosity. Do aliens
What
exist?
civilizations have risen, looked into the night, seen what we see.
Today we embark on a journey that transcends time and space. We will traverse galaxies, explain unexplained phenomena, and dive into the enigma of extraterrestrial life. So join us as we navigate the cosmos and unravel the mysteries of the universe and seek answer to the question that lie deep within our collective consciousness. And for those who share the same passion for space exploration, be sure to like, subscribe and share this video to your friends and watch this video till the end. Now without any further ado, let's go where no one has gone before. Our journey begins with the famous Drake equation, a mathematical tool used to estimate the number of advanced civilizations in our galaxy. It is an important tool in search for alien life. Now let us know about the components of the Drake equation. We begin with the R star, which is nothing but the rate at which the stars form in a distinct galaxy. Next up we have the fraction of stars that have planetary systems. In recent years, we have discovered thousands of exoplanets, suggesting that planets are common around stars. Next variable we have is Ne, that represents the number of planets that can support life or potentially has life. This hinges the component like temperature, atmosphere, soil, liquid water, etc. Next up we have Fl, the fraction of suitable planets where life indeed takes roots. The factor to consider the condition necessary for life to emerge. Next up we have F1, that represents the fraction of intelligent beings and not just beings like us. This is an important part of Drake equation that explains how a living being transforms into different complex structure. Now we have Fc, which is a fraction of intelligent beings that can develop the means of interstellar communication such as radio technology or advanced form of signaling. Lastly, L represents the time period in which an advanced civilization could send a detectable signal toward us.
Alien pollution.
When you multiply all these factors in the Drake equation, we get an estimate about the number of advanced civilizations inside our galaxy. Although this equation is a great equation, but many of its variables are still not proper. I mean, the value of those variables are still not identified. Now let's journey into one of the most preflexing mysteries of our quest to extraterrestrial life, that is the Fermi Paradox. Named after the physicist Enrico Fermi in the 20th century, this paradox links between the high probability of advanced civilization in our galaxy, but we haven't found any evidence about it. The universe is vast, containing billions of galaxies, each with countless stars and planets. With such an immense cosmic canvas, the odds of other intelligent, technologically advanced civilization existing are remarkably high. Yet, despite these staggering numbers, we find ourselves in what Fermi referred to as the Great Silence. To tackle this paradox, many scientists and great physicists have come out with some explanation, and we are gonna list on some of them. Rare Earth hypothesis, that is, some physicists believe that Earth-like planets which can sustain living beings and organisms are very rare, and in a galaxy, maybe Earth is the only life-sustaining planet, and maybe life is an anomaly. Technological filters. Some physicists also believe that maybe there are some civilizations, but they are not capable enough to transmit intergalaxy transmission, or we can say interstellar communication like us, and maybe that is the reason that we haven't received any signal from any advanced civilization till date. Self-destruction. It is also a very probable possibility that civilization, before they can make interstellar communication, self-destruct themselves and the civilization is gone forever. This can be due to war, environmental crisis, etc. The Fermi Paradox fuels a multitude of research efforts. Scientists employ advanced telescopes such as the Hubble Space Telescope and other cutting-edge instruments to scan the cosmos for signs of extraterrestrial life. Additionally, missions such as Search for Extraterrestrial Intelligence, that is SETI, continually listen for radio signals that may originate from advanced civilization out there in our universe. With the Fermi Paradox in mind, we will continue our exploration of the cosmos and dive into the fascinating discoveries and theories that shape our understanding of the universe. Life, as we know it, depends on several specific conditions that should be met to make a living organism live and evolve. These specific conditions are generally referred as Goldilocks zones or habitable conditions. Now, let us explore some of these habitable conditions, or let's say Goldilocks zones, which are necessary for a celestial body or planet to have living organisms in it. Water is essential for life. It serves as a universal solvent, allowing all chemical reaction to occur. Life on Earth is intimately tied to water and its primary criterion for habitability. Planets and moons need to have stable sources of liquid water to support life. The atmosphere of a celestial body is very crucial. A suitable atmosphere provides a right amount of balance between gases, for example oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, which life organisms has to breathe to live. It also helps to regulate temperature. Life requires a source of energy. On Earth, this energy primarily comes from the sun through photosynthesis. Plants or moons in the habitable zone must receive adequate energy to sustain life processes. Time for evolution is very essential. For a complex living organisms to sustain, the celestial body should have to provide stable conditions for a long period of time so that the organism can become a complex living organism. Chemistry plays a vital role. The presence of complex organic molecules and the right chemical reaction are necessary for life to form and evolve. These chemical processes often rely on availability of specific elements or compounds. In our defined habitable environment beyond Earth, space agencies and astronomers are constantly searching for planets and moons that meet these habitable criteria. The search for exoplanets in the Goldilocks zone is a significant step in answering this question. Understanding the condition necessary for living organism is very essential. Even if the organism doesn't come from the compound from which the life organisms developed on Earth, we need to keep working on the stages that will help us transform our current technology to an advanced technology that will help us communicate to the farther, more advanced civilization, maybe out of the Milky Way galaxy or maybe inside it. As we conclude our cosmic journey, I would like to give my perspective on this topic. I'm 1000% sure on this topic that of course aliens exist. Maybe we haven't found any hints or clues if they exist or not, but imagine this universe is like huge, infinitely big. We have trillions of planets, trillions of galaxies out there, and isn't it possible that maybe in one of those distinct galaxies, in one of those distinct planets, we have one advanced civilization like us which is waiting for it to be communicated by us. End of the question, we still have the mystery: do aliens exist or not, or are we alone in this universe or not? Maybe out there some organisms are looking for us as we are looking for them, but still we don't have any clues that they exist or not. But still several astronomers, astrophysicists, physicists, meteorologists and many scientists are still working on this for making them come to us. Lastly, I invite you all to give down your perspective in the comment box down below about what do you think about this universe, about aliens, do they exist or not, or are we alone in this universe, and keep the conversation going. Thank you for joining on this cosmic journey today. I hope you learned many new things and got new ideas about this vast universe and space. I hope you like this video and make sure to subscribe if you haven't, and share this video to space enthusiasts that you know. Till then, stay curious.